project workshop is a really unique initiation of Hungarian and German students who work as demonstrators. So who are these demonstrators exactly? They are not traditionally from the anatomy or physiology department. They work in the clinical practices and be part of them. Demonstrators could be the solution to form smaller groups where students can do a physical examination on their own and also patients interviewing. So 1 year ago we started with our first workshop, which is called Internal Medicine Propedeutics, and there we revised typical practical skills, for example percussion and palpation of the thorax. Every student was so focusing on that, every student asked questions, we have a lot of fun together. So to work as a demonstrator is also a win-win situation. Why? Because the demonstrators can revise and improve their clinical skills as well. That's why we think that demonstrator could be a good solution in clinical medical education and also help students to become a better doctor in their future. So if you are interested in the demonstrator activity, you are really welcome to try it out and enjoy our circle of demonstrators.